Performa Internet Demo. Let's open Netscape Navigator, which will automatically use the modem to connect to this Windows XP machine. So while this is loading, I'll show you a bit on how everything's connected. So this is my PBX underneath here. You get the Performa and the XP laptop and this phone all connected to it. And the XP laptop is going to work as it's going to function as a gateway to my broadband internet. So it's really going to be a dial-up internet provider, if you will. Netscape is now loading and will automatically attempt to connect to the internet by opening the Apple Dialer application. Here you see one incoming connection, there it is, and this is a connection to the internet through that 56K modem that's built into the laptop here. You see I have both broadband connected and the modem, and then the Mac can use that connection to get on the internet. There it is, and I'm using a proxy through the Internet Archive to load the web pages as they were in 1997. So this, for example, is the Netscape homepage from July 9th, 1997. And the dialer automatically shows you a connection status, how long you've been connected, because back then, of course, you paid by the minute. So let's disconnect this now, and let's go to the telephony application. Let's see if I can dial this landline phone that's sitting there on top of the PBX. And the number of the phone should be number 23. Yeah, that works. Hello, can you hear me through the Macintosh? I think you can. Likewise, we can also call the Macintosh, which I think is on line 1. Hello, how are you doing? This is very cool stuff.